Okay. All right, it's time. Which one?
That one little hanging down there.
You want to get rid of this and keep them all even? Let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hopefully it's good. Oh,
Ready? What? Take a deep breath. Okay. Here we go.
Who's it gonna be? It's like we'll walk up.
So that's another duplicate that we have, which means we can do one of two things, and I will give you, my buddy, the choice. We have two of these cringers, and we have two of these evil-lyns. So we can take one of these evil-lyns, and we can either try to trade it when trading comes, or we can open one out of the package right now. What do you think? Do you want to wait and see what we get and then decide if we want to play with her or trade her? Or do you want to just take it out now? Or do you want to play with it when you're here at my house? Once we take it out of the package, we can't put it back in.
Wait. I want to wait.
You want to wait. Okay. So we've got one of these evil-lyns that we can easily open up and play with and not worry about, or maybe trade when trading comes. We'll see. But since we have two, we've got one we can use for anything.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. We will hold on to it. I'll tell you what. Since we got a duplicate, you want to do something crazy?
What?
You want to open another one?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Big twist. Okay. Which one now?
This one.
Well, I can't yet. Top or bottom, baby? I can't see where you're pointing, sweetheart.
9. The 9th.
This one. Oh, no. 6, 7, 8, 9. This one here.
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Since it was a duplicate, feels like we should try for another new one. And plus, do we ever get tired of looking at the little pilot Alfie?
No, we never get tired looking at him.
Bye-bye. Okay. Doing it? Are we doing it, Nick?
No.
What's happening? There you go. So now, you know what that means. One to keep, one to trade.
One to keep in the package.
Right? Keep in the package, trade one, and this last one, what are we going to do with it?
Keep in the package.
Well, we have one for the package. So, look.
We can open one?
So that means we can open one. You want to do it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, today's a good day, bud.
Uh-huh.
I've never seen this before. I don't know what it looks like. You ready?
Uh-huh. everything.
I know.
That's so cool.
Okay. So now we can move. Okay. Oh. Look, buddy. Look, you. There he is.
There he is.
Oh my goodness, look at him.
Oh, I just want to do this.
Where's he going?
Where's Alfie going?
Oh, look, we can walk. Or we can run.
Where's Alfie going? Watch. Alfie.
Look at his
Ranger,
footsteps.
get out.
Man. Look at the footsteps that light up.
That was good.
Oh my
Where are you
goodness.
going? Where are you going? Hey,
What, baby?
You're just so small.
He's so cute.
Oh my god, are you controlling it?
Yes?
What? I have to control this when I come to your house later.
Yeah, when you come over, you can play with him. And we can run around. Look at this.
Maybe you can make a YouTube video just to play with us.
Oh, look, we can zoom in. Look at his fur. Wow, he looks great, huh? Look, there he is, nice and close. So what's your favorite thing about this little guy?
Just because he's so cute.
I love this little tooth. Look at that one little snaggle.
Yes, I love it.
He's so happy.
He's so happy. He's a little happy cat.
He's a little happy cat.
Cat. He's just a little cat.
There you go, buddy. That's it. So now when a game comes, we can trade him, we can play with him, and then we still have, so let's see. So here's our opened and ready to play, sealed cubes, wrapped toys, and we've got our one cringer to save, all right, one cringer to trade, and one cringer to play with. Today was a good day. Cool.
Can't believe I opened it. I'm not gonna lie, but Phil is so cute.
He is so cute. They're all pretty cute, honestly, but I love him.
Honestly, we have the real human also. Yeah,
Yep,
the fake ones and the real one.
I know. I love it. All right, buddy. Cool. Well, we'll be back and we'll do another one tomorrow, but today was a fun one. And now look, we can do this. We can see just our cubes, just our wrapped ones, and what we have open to play with. Very cool. All right, little man. Ready to do so tomorrow? You'll be ready to do another one, right? Yes. Right.
Yeah. That's Junior.
We got a cringer to play with. I love it.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we'll open another one tomorrow.